Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all my friends near and far. This is your friend La Filipina Carpintera here in America. I hope everybody's doing okay wherever you are in your part of this beautiful world that we live in. My name is Marilyn and guys, nag-live ako kanina, kanta-kanta lang ba? Tapos yung orientation ko ng what do you call this one? Ng camera ko, parang nakaganon ba? Nakaganon. So, may nagtanong sa akin. May nagtanong sa akin, guys, are you gay? Sabi ko, no, I'm not. Tapos, guys, so di, kanta-kanta lang, pero yung orientation ko is ganun talaga. Oh my gosh, di tapos na ako after finally 1 hour. May 5 tao na nagtiis na panoorin ako, guys. Tapos, so yun, prinasis na ng YouTube. And then, finally, I was able to watch myself on TV. Guys, I was horrified. Oh my goodness. Totoo, guys. Bakla ako. Mukha talaga akong bakla sa live ko kanina. What in the world? Like, seriously. Pero okay na, hindi naman ako na-offend. Pero totoo talaga, guys. Mura talaga akong bakla kanina ba ng orientation ng ano ko. Kasi, hindi ko kasi nagamit yung cellphone holder ko. Kaya, pinatong ko lang sa unan yung nasa bedroom kasi ako. Pinatong ko lang sa unan yung cellphone ko. Kaya yung orientation hindi maganda yung angle ko ba. Tapos may ribbon pa dito. Parang mukha talaga akong bakla. Tapos guys, na-horrified ako. But buti na lang hindi niya sinabing mangkukulam ka ba? or mananagna ka ba? Ano ba yung mananagna? Albularyo ka ba? Magpagamot sana ako. But anyway, for those lovely 7 and 5 to 7 people who watched me sing earlier, salamat sa inyong panonood kahit na mukha talaga akong bakla. But guys, seriously, I'm not. But thank you for asking anyway, Mr. whoever he was. First time niya sa channel ko. But guys, pagpasensya nyo ng boses ko, but iklaro ko lang, hindi po ako nagtatago. Bakla po talaga ako. Joke. Hindi po. Kung kailangan nyo ng proof, mayroon akong anak po. Actually, 8 po yung anak ko, at saka ito yung isa, just proof na hindi ako bakla. Yan. Hey. Say good morning. Wing, wing. Wing. Hey. Say good morning. Yan guys, anak ko yan. So, hindi po ako bakla. But anyway, I had such a great time, chatting with people earlier, people that I love. So, thank you so much and God bless you all. Bye.